Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Introduce ko muna po yung sarili ko. Medyo late lang dumating. Ako po si Mr. Rodelio Ibana. Isa rin pong product ng WRCSA. 2018 RME passer and 2019 RMP passer. Pero mas nagsiserve po kasi ako sa IIE WRCSA kaysa sa kabilang side kasi dito po ako nagsimula sa organization na ito. They are the one who gave me the first opportunity to become a licensed professional. And during that time, uh, as our past president said, this organization will not actually help you just to review. They will also help you enhance your professionalism, and they will actually connect you to different organizations and companies wherein you would have the chance to explore or more enhance your knowledge and skills. It's not just we're having just the, for example, like this one, like this event, just to see our sponsorships or see our presentations. But let us make this opportunity to meet one another, connect ourselves with other organizations and companies that maybe in the future we could help us also to promote ourselves and promote their products as well. So thank you again. I will introduce to you our next speaker. Sir, can you help me regarding this one? Uh, so I could have our profile. Our next technical speaker is our past president, Mr. Engineer Bernardo Alaiban, with the qualifications of academic, complete of masteral degree of at the Part Eastern University, August 2023. Completed bachelor's degree at TIP Manila with the course of Bachelor's of Science in Electrical Engineering in October 1991. Become a life member on 2001 of the IAEE. He has lots of positions held. Most of these are major leadership. One, on the IAWR's RCSA BOD from 2017 to 2018. WRCSA 2018 Executive Officer as Treasurer. 2019 IIE WRCSA President. A member of IT and QC at IIE National in 2021. A member of LILAC at IIE National in 2022. PPO WRSA Board of Director from 2019 to 2022. 2023 PPO WRSA President. With regard to his professional profile, he has the experience of over 30 years working from various different fields in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And he is currently employed at Red Sea Global Quality Control as a supervisor at Al Waj, Tabuk, Saudi Arabia. So let's give a round of applause to our technical speaker, Engineer Bernardo Alaibal. Are you ready now? Oh, okay. Let me hand the mic to our technical speaker.